Hey guys, I just found this game that pays you $10 every single day. All you need to do is to play it and earn gems. Now these gems can be converted into USDT and you can withdraw it directly into your MetaMask with no stress. And that is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Now the name of the site or the gaming app that I'm talking about is the Gemgala. The link of the gaming app would be right there in the description of this video and also in our Telegram group. So if you are here and you're not in our Telegram group, make sure that you join right there. We do trade every single day. I drop daily signals, I drop how to make money online, different ways. All you need to do is to stick with us and get paid. Okay, so let's proceed. Now all you need to do is to play these single games. Okay, when you play these games you earn score. Now the score that you earn is being converted into stones. So these are the simple score you see right here in the video. Okay, these are the simple scores that you earn, and this single score can be converted into these stones. Now these stones is what you convert into USDT. Let me show you. Let me head right there. Okay, now look at this withdrawal section. When you play games, your scores are being converted into coins. Now these coins are being converted into gems. Okay, as you can see, this is 10,000 gems right here. Now this 10,000 gems is worth $1. Now you need 9,000 gems to make a $10. So you have to play these games, or you can earn 9,000 gems so you can withdraw $10. This $10 is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, I know this sounds like a lot. That is this quick way that you're going to use for you to be earning these gems instantly so that you can be able to make $10 a day. So before I show you that way, I would like you to look at this chat room here. This is where you see different people, you interact with them and you earn coins. Okay, you can also earn massively right here, and all you need to do is to click right here. You can create a room and invite your friends. So the more you interact right here, the more you earn more coins. Okay, now another way for you to earn massively, like you can be able to earn like 5,000 gems a day. That is okay. You can be able to earn 5 to 10,000 gems a day and earn $10. All you need to do is to invite friends. Yes, if you invite one friend, you're getting 10,000 gems. If you invite one friend, you're getting 10,000 gems. Invite two friends, you're getting 20,000 gems. If you invite 3 friends, you're getting 3,000 gems. For you to earn $10 in a day. Okay, so that is it guys in this video. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe in this our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Okay, so see you guys on Telegram.